the 2014 Dodge Durango. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Dodge prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by front and rear reading lights, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, a roof rack, and power windows. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.